Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our new video. This is IGCSE 0580 uh, question paper 1-3 May June 2023. In this question, a scatter diagram is given and we are asked to look at this and to answer some questions. And what are these questions, right? Looking at the diagram, we have to identify some facts. So what is it? What type of the correlation is shown on the scatter diagram, right? So actually what this is, first let us understand that scatter diagram shows information about the time spent on a shop and number of items bought. So on vertical axis, y-axis, we can see that number of items bought are shown, which are from 0 to 16 items, right? And on horizontal axis, it is the time spent in minutes. So 10 minutes, 20 minutes, up to maximum 80 minutes. So what kind of the correlation can we see here? So obviously this is positive correlation, right? So can we write here that the correlation which we can see here is positive? This is positive correlation, okay? When you see that the values are arranged in this order, that you move towards x-axis along x-axis, if you move towards right along x-axis, values keep increasing like this, okay? Their height of the scatter data increase also. So you can see that if you move towards right, height of the data which is spread here, which is scattered here, is increasing. So this is positive correlation, right? If you read the basics of scatter diagram, you will see that this is a positive correlation, right? And what is the next thing which we are asked here? Describe the relationship between time spent in the shop and number of items bought. Okay, see that if somebody spends 10 minutes in the shop, two items are bought. If 20 minutes he spends, three items are bought. So if 30 minutes, six items up to maximum, or maybe up to five items. We see 50 minutes, somebody spends 50 minutes, so you can see that in 50 minutes range, 14 items are sold. In 80 minutes range, when the time more time is spent, 80 minutes, the item number of items goes to 16. So more time is spent in the, we can describe it like uh, if people are buyer, right, spend more time, they buy more items. So this is what our observation is. This is description. More time spent, more items sold. Okay. Then he says that draw a line best fits on the scatter diagram. So how can we draw that line? We can draw that line using the idea that point should remain around that line. Okay, more point lie around that line. Such a line we have to draw around which more points or more data scatters about, is shown scattered about the line, around which more points looked closer to. So you see that this is the line which we can draw. More data looks around this, okay, closer to this. So this is the suitable line. So this is the question. I hope you will understand and enjoy this mathematical concept and uh, new topic. It is scatter diagram from paper 0580 QP 13 by June 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more content. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.